Here's a digital twin which has been created using a 3D scan, and then this is also combined with CAD data of the property. So this is, not dissimilar to looking at, you could kind of conceptualize as a 3D photograph. Now, there are some gaps in this image where the 3D scanning wasn't done, with extraordinary detail, so they've just kind of roughly run down the middle of the plant. But certainly you get a sense of, there's someone's backpack on the ground. Here are the various machines, here are the various pumps. And one of the really interesting things that happens with these plants, so this is a pumping station, is that the BIM, or the CAD data, the Building Information Management System, with the CAD data gets out of sync with the real world. So if I scroll this little dial here, I can kind of move into an X-ray mode where now I can see the 3D data from the laser scan, and I can overlay it with the CAD data. So the great thing about this is I can see the teal pipes are the cool pipes, salmon pipes are the hot pipes, the red units are the pumps, and I can see that perhaps, maybe out in the back here, I can see, okay, there's a bit of change here. There's a new pump installed that wasn't in the CAD data, so I need to update the system to reflect that change. So what this really does is it's a very simple, low-cost technique. You just take this little unit, do a couple of scans on location, and then you can come back to the engineering team, supply that to them, and they can now make comparisons between the digital twin in the CAD data against the real world, so they can see if there's any differences that have occurred since they last did an engineering update, and then they can make those changes, and they know that everything's up to date for the next trip out there when they maybe have to make a repair or make further changes.